everyone, and welcome back! It's your neighborhood cheetah, Chi-Chi, and today we're going to the bank! And today we're gonna use the CVV code on the back of our debit card.
What?
And to discuss this, let's welcome our great friend, Gigi, the debit card!
Hello, everyone. It's your debit card, Gigi. And let's talk about what a CVV code is.
Let's go!
A CVV code is a 3-digit code on the back of your debit card. You use this code when buying things online, like at Target or Amazon.com. When you're at the payment section of the website, it will instruct you to place in your 3-digit CVV code, which can be found on the back of the card. But be careful, because your CVV code is a secret.
Shh!
And no one should know it. If someone gets your CVV code, then they can steal your money.
Oh my God!
Therefore, you need to keep it safe at all times. So come on, let's go on an adventure. Woohoo! We're going to go online to buy toys, to buy games, and most of all, to buy coconuts.
Woohoo!
So let's go!
Woo!
Now that we're on this website, we're going to pay for the toys that we want. We first place in our name, then we place in our card information. And now, we place in the CVV code. Remember, make sure no one is around to see this number.
Shh!
Now, let's pay for our toys. And success!
Yahoo!
We just bought our toys using our debit card and the CVV code on the back.
Yeah!
You're a pro! If you leave your debit card out in the open, then someone can steal your debit card. And steal your money.
Oh no!
Make sure to keep Gigi safe at all times.
Yeah!
Place me back in your pocket and keep me there at all times.
Wow! What an adventure that we had today! We bought toys online, and we used our debit card and CVV code.
Woo!
Like us, and subscribe to our channel, and tell us in the comments what animal that you want to see next. Join us next time, kiddos, and see what we're going to learn next, because we're going to the bank.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.